2016, we were here. And we stayed there with Gigi Ma.
9 years ago.
Anong 9 years? Ha?
9 years ago.
9 years ago yun?
25 na ngayon.
O nga pala, no, 8 years na si Frankie. 8 years old na. Wow, good catch! Ha? Wala pa, the year before. Aha. That was Frankie nung 1 year anniversary, death anniversary ni Papa Dick. Yung last na punta ni Lolo dito was 2016, and dyan kami nagstay sa likod mo with Gigi Ma. That was the first death anniversary of Papa Dick. And now Lolo is back.